Okay guys, first things first, we need to open Excel so we can begin to learn about it. Now I find that the easiest method to do this is to have a shortcut on your desktop already. Now I have one just here called Excel 2013. If you have one of these, fantastic. Just hover over it, double click your left mouse button and you're good to go. If you don't have one of those, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to add one to your desktop shortly. Right, method number 2. Now if you already have a workbook that someone has sent you, the simplest method is to literally just double click on the icon of that workbook. You can see we have one down here that I've cleverly prepared earlier. So if we double click this Excel file, which is called a workbook, Excel will automatically open and it will open that particular file. The third way to open Excel is using your Start button. So if you come down here to your Start button, left click your mouse button, you may well find that you have Excel already appearing in this first menu here. If you don't worry, the more times you open Excel, the higher up this list it will become. So if it's not there at the moment, don't worry about it, it will be soon. Now method 4, also from the Start menu. If you didn't see Excel in here, don't worry, you can always go to the All Programs. Let's go back a little. You can go to All Programs, left click, and you'll find a little folder called Microsoft Office 2013. Yours may say 2010 or it may just say Microsoft Office. If you left click this folder, it will expand and show you all the programs that you currently have installed in the Office suite. Just go down to Excel, double click with your left mouse and Excel will open for you. Now I did mention that if you didn't have a desktop shortcut already, I would show you how to add one. We're going to do that right now. So while you are hovering over Excel and it's highlighted, click your right mouse button, choose Send To, choose Desktop Create Shortcut, left click, and then when we move the menu, we'll see we have a shortcut icon for Excel there. Now this is called on my screen Excel 2013 2. The reason for that being that I already have Excel 2013 there. Don't worry about the name of it. If you hover over the icon, right click, choose Rename, you can call it anything you want from there. So let's call it Excel, press enter, and there you go, you have a desktop icon. Okay, the final method, if none of those have worked for you yet, is again using your Start menu, but this time we're going to choose the Search Programs and Files. So if you click your left mouse button in there, so you get a little blinking cursor, and type Excel, it will go away and it will find everything that references Excel in on your computer. So you're going to be looking under Programs, and you'll find Excel listed just there. Okay. So let's open Excel. We can go to our desktop shortcut or our newly created desktop shortcut, double click, and you'll be presented with a screen that looks very much like this. Now in order to learn about the anatomy of a workbook, we're just going to choose blank workbook for now. So hover over it so it's highlighted, double click with your left mouse button, and you'll be presented with a screen that looks very much like this. Okay, next we're going to cover all of the main areas of this screen and what they do.